Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. Start by going into settings and choosing display and brightness. Following that, Following that, tap on the switcher next to auto brightness feature, and as you can see, adaptive brightness is now on. But you can always turn it off by clicking on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can also go into tab menu and click on this A icon over here. If it's yellow, that means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!